Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and find the Find My Device feature on your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And then you want to go down and select the Security and Privacy tile. And then go down again underneath other settings where it says more security and privacy and select that. Scroll down a little bit more and then select where it says device admin apps. Go ahead and select that. So Find My Device, allow Find My Device to lock or erase a lost device. Go ahead and toggle that on. And you can read additional information about exactly what this does. And then you just would select activate this device admin app in order to turn this on. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you wanted to disable it, just would go back in here and just toggle this off to the left. It'd be grayed out, meaning it's disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.